Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to calculate a sum in Notion. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a table and easily total up your numbers in just a few clicks. Whether you're tracking expenses, organizing a budget, or just want to automate some of your everyday calculations, mastering this feature in Notion can save you loads of time and effort. So let's jump straight in. First things first, open up your Notion workspace. If you're brand new to Notion, think of your workspace like your personal headquarters. It's where all your pages, databases, and notes are stored. Go ahead and navigate to your workspace so you're ready to build your table. If you've got a lot going on in Notion already, just head to the side menu and create a fresh page if that helps keep things organized. Next, we want to make a table page. In Notion, tables are super flexible and perfect for managing lists of items, tracking tasks, or like we're doing today, keeping tabs on quantities and amounts. Adding a table is simple. Just click plus add a page and choose the table option. You'll see a blank grid pop up. Don't worry if it looks empty, we're about to bring it to life. Now let's customize the columns. Rename the first column as quantity and create a second column called amount. The quantity column can be useful for anything from counting products to summing up units sold, while the amount column is usually where you'll put the value you want to total, like prices, budgets, or scores. You might also want to make sure your amount column is set to a number format, not text, so Notion can properly add it up later. Once you've set up quantity and amount, enter a few rows of sample data, let's say some item names, their quantities, and the corresponding amounts. It helps to have real entries so you can see your sum in action. Here's where the magic happens. To calculate the sum, click on the header of your amount column. This header is more than just a label, it's actually a small control center for that column. When you click on it, you'll see a few options, including Calculate. Select that. Don't rush here, Notion will show you more calculation options. This section lets you choose how you want data in that column to be crunched: average, median, count, and of course sum. For our purpose, select Sum. You'll notice that Notion instantly adds up all the numbers in the amount column and displays the total right at the bottom. If you're working with a big table, this feature is a lifesaver. You'll never need a calculator again for basic sums in Notion. And that's it, your table now automatically calculates and displays the sum of your amounts. If you change any values or add new entries, Notion will update the total in real time for you. It's a simple touch that can make your workflow a whole lot smoother. So if you're tracking spending, managing inventory, or just want a neat list to total, this Notion trick is speedy and effective. If you have any questions about setting up tables or calculating other functions in Notion, feel free to drop them in the comments. I read everyone. If you got value out of this tutorial, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical guides to getting things done in Notion and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next quick tutorial.